Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2025 Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Premium L case. So this is the, I don't know, we're getting towards the end here, fourth or fifth mix for 2025 Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious. Thanks to our sponsor, Stop Diecast. Thank you, Stop Diecast, for sponsoring this video and sending this case over. All right, 5 vehicles in this mix. 3 of them new castings, so that's exciting. Let's go with the repeats, right? All right, first 2 out of the case. Let's look at the repeats really quick. We have the Nissan 240SX S14. We have, what is this, Letty's car, right? Letty's car was from the first Fast and the Furious movie, The Fast and the Furious. Letty's 240SX, very nice. Whenever there's I'm not sure if there might be some color variations in these that I can't pick up on right now, but if you look through again with the rest of the collection, I can usually tell. So hey, speaking of color variations, all right, so we have the 2021 Toyota GR Supra. This was what was his name? Hans? No, from F9. Han, yeah, Han. It was Han's car. Okay, so number 5 of 5, the GR Supra from F9, the Fast Saga. We have it's a gloss orange here. And I always can't, once somebody pointed out that this looks like a toothpick, or what do they call it, the floss stick, can't unsee that. Oh, so disappointing. Anyways, and now I'm sharing it with you. But this is, yeah, so the previous releases of this have been a matte orange. So this one is gloss. So that is actually a different car. So I know it may not be enough for some, but oh, look at oh wow. What is going on with this one? Look at it. We got an air here. Look at the headlights. I'll show you the difference. We have the tail lights stamped on the front of this car, which is pretty crazy. Yeah. Or printed on, however you want to say it. Yeah, so there's the bottom is what it should look like. The top is the air. So we have an air. Cool. Cool for those that collect airs. I'll have to put that one off to the side. But here is what you should look for in the store. All right, so those 2 are the quote-unquote repeats. Now we have 3 brand new castings. The first one is going to be the 1970 Custom Plymouth Roadrunner. So we have a brand new 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. It is at least the 3rd Roadrunner we've seen, 1970 in Hot Wheels. We had the original 1970 Roadrunner back in 1998, right? It was the first edition back in 1998. Then we got, basically 10 years later, it was 2008-ish, in Modern Classics, we saw the Juna Mai's take on the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. This time we get Brendon Vetuskey's take on the movie car, right? The movie car of the Fast and the Furious. This was in Furious 7. And yeah, just another great, it's a great premium Roadrunner casting. Sits lower, not jacked up in the back. Though I do like the Hot Wheels rake on the original one. This one is just different in its own liking and very nice. Is that a flat hood? Very cool. But yeah, nice casting. Good job, Brendon. All right, next one out of the case is the Koenigsegg CCXR. So you get the Koenigsegg. We had the Koenigsegg Agera right back several years ago. It debuted in what was the other movie? I can't even think of it. I can't even think of the name of the movie. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it was kind of Fast and Furious like, right? And now we have the actual Fast and Furious Koenigsegg CCXR from Fast 5. So very great casting. Should stack up nice with that Agera. If anything, it should be looking a little bit better. Just, got different people on the team. And this one's a Ron Wong design. Mr. Hypercar himself designed this one. So I'm thinking this one's going to look pretty awesome compared to that Agera R that you're looking at right now. Very cool. And the last car out of the case is a Lamborghini. Hey, a Lamborghini, but it is a Lamborghini what? It's a Lamborghini truck. Lamborghini LM002 or LM002. I don't know exactly how you say that one, but it is the Lamborghini truck, right? The SUV off-road truck. I don't even know what to say about it, other than it was in Fast and Furious. So that was the 4th movie. And yeah, very cool. I've always wanted Hot Wheels to do one of these Lamborghini LM002s. I've seen a couple at car shows before, and yeah, just a nice different Lamborghini. I don't even know the whole story on the Lamborghini, this off-road truck, but it is cool nonetheless, and it'll go with my Lamborghinis. It'll be the only truck in my Lamborghini collection that I'm looking at right now. So, and it'll be in the Fast and Furious collection. So, great to have 3 brand new releases in this case, in the Lamborghini 002, the Koenigsegg, and another Koenigsegg, and that Roadrunner. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments below, and we can talk there. All right. Thanks again for watching.